Hello, everybody. So, I thought I had things planned out the way they should go, and that's not happening. So, I have to get to the post office today to get the last of the swaps, and I have another video ready for you, but I'm having to put that on hold a little bit because of what I said. So, I thought real quick I would take this from the Decoupage craft club, and let's see about doing these frames, because the video I did, I actually made this, and I didn't make a frame, and I said at some point we'll make a frame. So I thought we could do this pretty quick. And I want to just look in here and see what their instructions say for making the frame. Okay, green box frame. So, number one, take the green, let's fold this so I can see it. Flat box frame and 2 green tab pieces from your kit. That's these pieces, right? And we need 2 of them. And 1 of these. So we shouldn't need any of that now. Okay. Using the scoreboard and tool, make sure all score lines are in place. Fold and burnish all score lines. Then place red liner tape where shown along all tabs, including the 2 separate pieces. So, fold it. Score it. Burnish it. Now, if you like these when you go, if you like them, make sure and save one for a template. Right? That way you can keep making them. All right, so tabs, tab, tab. Now I don't know why, because to me, these should just go in like this, right? That's the way I think. So maybe the tabs just go in here to add strength, but it's basically just folded into a square, and there it is. So this, now they say red liner. I think I'm just gonna do tape runner. So it looks like here, well, I'm way off. That was on the line. And then here, this kind of shows it on both sides. So let's do that. So it's gonna go here. Line it up. I'm not even looking at their instructions anymore. Okay. Oops. And the same for this one. Now I folded back. All right, so I have to pick up. I got a call that I had to take, and so I'm gonna pick back up from here, and hopefully I'll be able to get it together. So I taped this one in. I put tape on this side and tape on this side, and I'm gonna tape that in, and I'm gonna check along the line here and try to line that up best I can. It says to use red liner tape, so you might want to, but I'm doing the video. I'm just gonna do it quick as I can. Yeah, I had that phone call come and I had to take it because it's kind of an important, kind of waiting for that call, so, but I just didn't expect it at this time. So now I'm gonna just tape all of these together. Get that tab in there. That tab probably should have tape or glue on it also, but I didn't do that. You might want to tape yours up or glue it up or whatever better than I'm doing mine, but for the video, just to show you how they go together, I'm hoping this is good enough. Okay, and I'm gonna put some tape here. And if you're using red liner tape, it's done different, right? Because you're cutting the pieces off and putting it on, you're not having to use this big thing in there. So that comes up this way, this goes in, the tabs go in. Tabs go in. Go in, tab. That tab almost seemed too big. Does this one seem too big? Okay, them tabs seem too big. The other side didn't seem to be that way. Okay, they're in. What did I do? I stuck the tape on the wrong side of this thing. That's all right, because I'll show you what we're gonna do. Because this is not the end of it. This is not done. Okay. So get everything lined up nicely, tucked in nicely, and there we go. All right. You get it all tucked in nice, right? I definitely did not glue it up well enough. But what you can do, if it's not glued in well enough and you want it glued in more, bring the glue in, glue it up some, right? So it's not holding. Wet glue always holds better anyways, I think. You know, with the wet glue, You have to really tear it apart with wet glue to get it apart, right? But when you're using this tape and stuff, sometimes it just gets kind of dried out after sitting, like in a dry room or something. So the tape is what I'm talking about. So that's, to me, I usually like to use wet glue, but because of the video, I thought, well, and look, there's a big hole in there for some reason. I must not have had my thing lined up nice. And now I've wet glued it. So, obviously didn't have my, you know, the ones you put in, I didn't have it lined up right, and I must have had it too far this way. And like I said, now I've wet glued it. It's kind of stuck. But, you know, then they show you putting a piece of paper, cut a piece of green coordinated card from the kit, 5.5 by 5.5. So let's find this green coordinating paper. I thought I had it out. Here we go. Well, the green coordinating is not really coordinating unless this is from a different kit. It is from a different kit. That is definitely from a different kit. Okay, let me see. Here we go. Is this the cardstock? Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Huh. That was from a different kit. But that doesn't match. Is there another green? Here we go. Here we go. That's why they gave us such strong paper this time, maybe. Okay, and it said 5.5 by 5.5. Now this is all also going to add sturdiness to your box. So I love this bell binder's trimmer so far, but I'm not crazy about having to really pull it every time to get it open. Okay. 5.5 by 5.5. The only thing I can say about this is, there, that was better. That clicked in there somehow. Do the ugly side right, because here's the pretty side, and there's the ugly side. Now this is where I'm going to cover up that tape too. I have to get to the, oh, I think I already said, I got to get to the post office and get the last swap. At first I got a notification it was coming yesterday, which put it right on time, and then I got a notification yesterday that it would be today. So something went somewhere bad, so it's not the person that mailed it. Something happened. Okay, now we're just gonna stick this on here. It's a little bit small. So I must not have my box all tucked up tight. Because I don't believe it's supposed to be a little bit small. So I'm just going to kind of pull it all together, push this down. And we know I didn't do a great job with the adhesive. So that's, you know, my fault with that. But I'm just going to put this, you know, just bringing it in to match up to this. Just bring it in and match it up here. Uh-oh. I should have done a better job. But there it is. And then you take, and I don't think I can get those off there. Where did I put that card? Oh. What did I do with that card? I just showed you all it. Here it is. So I don't think I can get it off. Good, I think I glued it. Yeah, see? When you glue it, the only way to get it off is a rip it. But I think that would have been really cute in there. Just doing that. I just didn't want to take the time with the video to do both. So what the deal is I'm going to be making the box, the Christmas tree, from Tonic Studios, and I think that's going to take a few parts. So I wanted to do some stuff ahead of time to post along with that. The only problem was I wasn't able to get started on that yesterday like I hoped. So that's why. So hopefully tomorrow. But then, you know, people are coming over for dinner tomorrow, so, you know, I don't know. I think I got things worked out and figured out, and then it just doesn't end up being the way I expected it to be. So, all right, everybody. If you like my video, please hit it's a very short video. But if you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Everybody have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.